Hey Legends, just unlocked an heirloom in Apex? Here's how you can equip it. First, head over to the Legend Locker tab in the main menu. Now select the legend that has the heirloom that you want to equip. Now here's where you can select the heirloom to equip. If you have a mythic prestige skin, this is what we call the armor heirlooms, go to the skins and select it. Otherwise, if you have a weapon heirloom, go to melee and select the weapon heirloom that you want to equip. When you get heirlooms, you also get other cosmetics to go with them. Weapon heirlooms give you a mythic pose and intro crypts, while some armor heirlooms give you skydive trails. Well, not all of them, but the exceptions are the Bloodhound, Bangalore, Wraith, and Caustic Prestige skins. These are the ones that do not contain skydive trails. Now, once you're ready to equip, just click on the weapon heirloom that you want or the armor heirloom that you want to equip. Just click on equip and you're good. That's it. Your heirloom is ready to flex in game. Now go out there and flex on your enemies in style. Drop a like if this helped and follow for more Apex tips. See you in the arena, legends.